I want to tell you one of my favorite Disney stories. It's about Rapunzel from Tangled. I think she's the coolest princess because she's brave, creative, and never gives up on her dreams. If you haven't heard about her yet, let me tell you all about her amazing adventure. Rapunzel has the longest, most magical hair you've ever seen. It's golden and glows when she sings this special song. Her hair isn't just pretty, it has the power to heal people and keep them young. But there's a sad part too. A mean old woman named Mother Gothel kidnapped Rapunzel when she was just a baby because she wanted to use the magic in Rapunzel's hair to stay young forever. So, Rapunzel grew up in a tall tower, hidden deep in the forest. She wasn't allowed to leave, and she had never seen the world outside. But even though she was stuck in that tower, Rapunzel was never bored. She was super creative. She loved painting, reading, baking, and doing all sorts of fun things to keep herself busy. And every year, on her birthday, she saw these floating lights in the sky. They were so beautiful, and she wished she could see them up close. She didn't know it, but those lights were lanterns, and they were sent up every year by the king and queen, her real parents, who were looking for their lost princess. Then, one day, something incredible happened. A thief named Flynn Rider climbed up the tower, running away from some palace guards. Rapunzel was so excited to meet someone from the outside world that she made a deal with him. If Flynn took her to see the floating lights, she would give back the crown he stole. Flynn wasn't too sure about it at first, but Rapunzel was determined, and so their adventure began. As they traveled together, Rapunzel saw so many amazing things for the first time: the colorful flowers, the big blue sky, and the way the grass felt between her toes. She was so happy to be out of the tower. They had a lot of fun and some scary moments too, like when they got chased by palace guards and had to hide in a dark, creepy cave. But Rapunzel never gave up. She even used her glowing hair to help them find a way out. She was so brave. Finally, they made it to the kingdom just in time for the big lantern festival. It was even more beautiful than Rapunzel had imagined. She and Flynn rode out in a little boat, and when the lanterns floated up into the night sky, Rapunzel's eyes were filled with happy tears. It was the best moment ever. She realized that the lanterns were meant for her. They were calling her home, even if she didn't know it yet. But things got a little dangerous when Mother Gothel found out where Rapunzel was and took her back to the tower. Rapunzel felt so sad, like her dreams would never come true. But then she figured it out. She was the lost princess. She knew she couldn't stay trapped forever. With Flynn's help, she stood up to Mother Gothel and said she was done being hidden away. Even though it was scary, Rapunzel found her courage. In the end, Rapunzel's bravery and kindness saved the day. She was finally reunited with her real family, and the whole kingdom celebrated. She cut her hair to break Mother Gothel's spell, and even though her golden hair was gone, she was free, and happier than ever with her short, brown hair that suited her perfectly. I love Rapunzel because she shows that even if you're scared or unsure, you can still go after your dreams. She never gave up, even when it seemed impossible. She followed her heart, found her family, and learned that real magic comes from the love and courage you have inside. And that's why Rapunzel is one of my favorite Disney princesses. She's a true hero, with or without her magic hair. Thanks for listening to my story about Rapunzel. I hope you remember to follow your dreams, just like she did. And if you ever feel stuck, remember that sometimes, you just have to take a leap of faith.